am going to be right back. I need to go get me something to drink. So I'll be right back. Hello everyone, I'm back. Sorry guys, I had to go and I had to go get me something to eat because I'm really hungry. So I went to go get me a snack. Anyway, I'm at Dilila. I'm at okay. Mary. So hey, kemarin tu ngane buah ke. Hai Mele. Hai Sione. Sione, kataki. Sione kong tungale. Sione, hit the exit door and out that way because I'm about to say something. Hi sis, hi Mele now. I'm so sorry with what you're going through, but you know what? Fayala ko fang ikai, wai lua. Ko kika la ko nga sa sai mala ko muku. Haters. Keep doing your thing, sis. Anyways, guys. Hi, Kathy. How are you? I miss you, Sister Turner. Okay, how are you, sister? I miss you. I'm going to have to come visit you soon. My niece is on. Larita, hi. Anyways, guys, today is a new day. So, yesterday I said on my live that so, what I'm going to come on today and do is this. Let me find my zen because I'm really annoyed and frustrated with her. So, this morning, Olympia called my brother and she talked to my brother and my brother called me and talked to me about these things that she's doing and about the pictures that she did, right? Kamea today ko live. Tuku ay malanga siyo. See, that's what I mean about my brothers and them. Hi Moa, how are you? Oh, see family, mommy, family may be my mom's family. That might get move. Jump. Anyways, hi Mieta. Oh my auntie. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Hi Mele. Anyways, guys. So yesterday in live. Right now, I'm not gonna really read the comments, guys, but just hi everybody who's coming on. This is gonna be a fast live because I need to get going. But yesterday I came and I did a live, right? And I posted the thing and then I said to Olympia, because she had until 6 o'clock yesterday evening, right? Hi Desiree, my little niece. Desiree, what? How you? So, anyways, guys, she did not come and fall fucking mic for a live, right? But however, now just so happened this morning, right? And guess what? So like, I don't even know what the hell this lady's thinking of. Does she think that she's going to go call my brother and I'm going to stop? No, wrong one. I'm sorry. Like I said, hey, kokufanga brothers, og na was ilapen nato fanga fo ito, hey. But I call him out to aneka. Tala mai to aneka, Mia. Ko hame koko. Kak fana ko may pe using katata ko hemia. So can I find out? This is what she said in Tongan. She goes, call him fakamole to pe. Ke fakamole mo ke to ta kilalo. So the reason why she was calling, it wasn't even about to say she was sorry. She called and she told my brother to ask me to take the pictures down because then she knew I was gonna because that's what's coming on next. But my brother talked to me and my brother said, Mia, Ko mana tu le rei pe ke si Many mahana, and my brother said, mahana taau tatau. My brother goes, fakamatala fakalielia pekia at kokena na wokia he ko ave ikai. My brother said like this. Komantule lepe ko alat kesi ina at mokui. Na totole mat at ko at me ikai komo api. Pa na foi pona alatu na uha mo me he. Sega talangi tunga ne komantule lepe mo ki api. Na to ko uha he. Sorry guys if my Tongan is not that great, but just bear with me. I'm trying my hardest, and I think my Tongan is good. My brother said like this. Olympia. He fai Fakatokanga ne ko he Olympia ko fai Olympari. He ko Fakatokanga ki ai. Not that I disrespect my brother. My brother know how I am. Ko ko hawa o famili. Tatai pe ka pe ko ha o ha ya le ki ai. My brother said like this to her. Olympia na ke mana te taimi na mata o visa ta ka moto ate me kai homoki api, and my brother told her exactly me na ia he. I'm not going to go into it, but my brother said like this. My brother said, na tau na mo ki fale kapa, na e toi uha, na e makape the wind, na e makape matangi o puhi o. Makape te ki turi ki fale koe. What happened? My brother goes, ko mana tui le reipe, na makape ta mo ki turi ki fale koe, na tau osko ta mai ke turi koe. He? Lo ta pa koe tau ela heku, hau e matangi mo mea, makape mo ki ata koe tau. Tole hake ki turi ki koe. So in other words, my brother said, na tau go back and forth like a seesaw, he? Ta buk alo koe seesaw koe kau de kai. Ana e hinga na pehe na feta kai, he? Na rof koe tonga, he? Pa ai ke taka koe whemea koe ni, he? Ke tala mai te alo whakailo au. Ai ke alo whakailo. Ai toko taka na koe tonga koe whakailo. Whakau ngongo whalere mai. Before I get to that part, te whakamahina kakoe. Ke alo eke ke ilo. Pakona ke ilo pe ta famili. Hi Tanya. Si ofako family hapo halau fuli. Bialeka. Love you Bialeka. Love you Wendy. My beautiful sister Wendy. Anyways, whakasega ko whakamahina kakoe. O ku ke ilo tu ko lawa fi mai mo ke lawa pa anga ko ke ha tai ku ma he ko hanga le fra mahina ka ko ya ahoni pa ke se ke ka ko ke ilo ka kai ko ma na me a ka na tupi tonga o ke na me a ke na mana tole na ma o huma he pe o brag pe he na ya ma ha ka ilo mai ho pa ku wa fi he usi ya fi ko ko he ko hanga fra mahina ka ko ke ilo ma kui a Mia Langi ko hanga le fra mahina ka ko fe me ko ni ke ilo pa ka fe me ko ni pa ke tapu ni pa ko tole tapu na pe te ma fa ma tole ke grema ka we te grema ka family he o ku ke ilo ho to ko wa a Wendy he ilo le Wendy Langi he ko Wendy na tu pa ka pe ma ku mo fanga ku ma ku mo Wendy mo me ko ma family he na tu pa ke he api ko ma ku pa ke se ke ka ta ka ko fe me ke ilo hawe Olympia ka ka fe me ke ilo te ke to o vare he pa te mo pe he wa pe na nga fa fe ku poto he fo tu e tala noa mo nga ko algo ko tala noa ke me ko na tu pa ka ma family he me ko na tu pa ka e ma not me, because but my cousins here come off my fakasi ni awenti mo me na tu poko tonga he ka se ki he ka ko ya o ai ki ha o ta pepe ha ko ta pari ha ke me a o pe he o ku ke ilo ha mo fo he ai mai ho le ape ai mai ke mahino he na ke tupu he na ke tupu na ke pehena ke tupu fa princess na usi malo mo fuku e na ohake vaka kana ngo mai ko hanga fotu tu e ko ke ilo malo mo ku e na ohake vaka ke ma wai hasito ke ni mo hasu he ke kava ke peri ko ko tunga ku mo va e ke pokua ha we na ke pokua he ka he ka va e fa ha ka ko foi va e ke sio ki ai ke ka poku ha va e he ka te hanga le ka ke ilo me ko ya na ke tupu ke tonga malo mo ku e na ohake vaka he ke ma wa hasito ke ni mo hasu ufufi ko peri ya mo pokua he ka te whakamahina ka koe a Mia Langi he ke aike ke iloi whai mea koa o kui kai ke usa ia he mea ko tala no uru pupula mo mea ko uru hai he ko mea ko ke sai mea ko ia ko ke sai mea ko ka ke ilo te hanga tak ka ke ilo whai mea ko ni o ku ke ilo e hanga ko tupu a wenti mo mea tonga he ko ma whakasiri na nau whipe mo whanga kui he ho ma kui mo nau tolo he ke ilo whai mea ko ni pa ko tāpun pa ko kono tae he ona ka te aba hatore ke aba le mai ka mau to he ke ilo o ku ke ilo na olunga na tolu he se no nga ai ka koe o ya we te ai mai me ko ke ta hopai ki hala he ke at ka koe ole ko na we ta mai hey guys tu ka te ki he ko me ko fe ha ko laivi ke laivi o ke mo hata he ko ilo pe anga tu ho ma family ko ilo le pa me na mau tu ki ai he ko a ke ai ke ilo e foi me ko ya he na olunga na tupa wendi mo me ha mo family na tupu tonga he na olunga ke hala taufa na la ku vai ke hala fata fehi ke ilo ustapali me ko ya he o te ke ha me apa te ke te tala te ke ha fo tu wa pa te ai ho le pe te ka ma Mia Langi tanga ai ki me ke ai fa fe fe au ha me te ha ai mai kau Huma ki loto ai mai ka tukutau aki ai heni usi kila usi afi pa ai ke ai ho mea ke ai ki alo fakailo familo malini mo mea haweta pali o ku ke ilo ka ho mea ku ai o ke ilo ta tahu ai ki alo fakailo tonga tala ke fakailo filmo ta ko tonga pa ai ke fakailo au heni usi na ke si ho le mu ko ia ke tahine na ke si ke puta malini he ko tahine ka na ha ko ko mea a konsela tonga Amerika ke ilo asela Turkia aki ilo foi mea ko ia he ko ia na o ia fatongia he aho malini pa ko ia na tu o kofu ai puha malini wai ke mahina ka koe ne ongo pe ko konsela tonga Amerika ka tu ai ki malini he ke ilo mea ka ona ke te hau ko ia he ona ke te hau ko o rea mai mea ko ia he mahina ko fe mea ko ia he mau ka ko ia he e mau kui he mau kui na no fe nu alo fai ke ilo ki ai he ai hala one way na olunga ki ai he hala fata fehi he pa ke ilo mau pa ke wa tini fo mahina ka koe ne ko ko sas mamonga ke ile mapa se spesia ko mea kana elis he kui e Mia Langi ki na tolu he ta o sas westidiana he a ko tonga ai ko ta pepe ko sas ko sayone he ane ka ke tui he o te mafa hoto le ke rea mai ka ke pe o ka mea mo te kuri ke afi but me I always come on here and I always tell people ko ka mea mo fanguina mau because ko ma tolu ko ke mau uru hai pe te mau uru pupula pe te mama fainga tala no pe he ka ke toki me mene ha ke ko pakituku na ostala noa ko mena taka ko he na ke pe ko ko me foi ta kon ho fu de pari ka toni he tu ko ko sa utaya he na ke mana ke time ko he planet tonga na ke alfa huai he group chat he pe ko na ke ilo he ostano ta mai sai lopa na mo ki lele he osata sai lopa ho ko mai hemi hey bitch you don't even know me I'm gonna hakule the end of the world ke hakule ke ma ko historia mo ilo me ko ta no ke ilo fe me ko ya he vale ngangau usi vale ngangau ta kona na mono foi ole koni and good for you kona ko afi ha ke mo be olunga hilalo he na ostaka ko don't fuck with me he and then what happened yes they gonna learn sister girl you like know what that's what happened when they like fuck with me they don't even know shit about me then this fucking bitch she like come on a thing and she like go talk her shit right oh brah she talks so much fucking shit about my family but fuck her because I'm gonna get her now but I get enough for there mai up here wafi kaya hapa anga famili mahake halangi malanga tam usi so ka balikai tae o kete ilo e ho ia mai famili o malini ka kolo motua he na fakalielia maho mea guai e ke no fore ka malanga ilo na tole ka na mea mau ka ho ta e tenga usi o mau he te honga tolo ko tate uta ka ilo ta ko ho alo fakalielia mo sai lopa he foi mea ko ia hoko mai ka hemi he kisiana e me ha matai bitch you think I don't know I know everything about you pagona na mo fure mo afi mo amo ki fe ki Colorado because ko anga na fai he mau nga we ho mari ka ko ku anga elo ho fainga to onga he and another thing I'm going to tell you this you think I don't know peko ke ilo so ko me na fai ko mari so ko ta ofa mari he alo Maria kosi alo fainga we ka ke no fko ia ta polisi that's what you did he no fo el koli ta polisi ke na o mai fa hu mari kai ha ka ke alko ko ki nga we hotel ko na alko no fa ya mo sai lopa he ta pun hotai ta pun hotai ta mo mutu don't ever come for me and don't ever come for my family and you said you're going to take me to court bitch hurry up and take me to court because I want to see this shit happen furthermore you ain't got shit to take me to court bitch you don't even got money to pay for a retaining fee. Who the fuck you think you're gonna come take the court? Like I told you, how I get court, then me and you's gonna go to court. If that's what you're looking for. Bitch, because I'm not even playing with you. I am so done with this. I'm so done with you talking shit to us. All of this stuff you're saying, wait, masi'i. Fakakana ke periperia pokua, peko ke ilo, he? You think I don't know? Even though na keke no foi tonga ke tupu tonga mo a veki tonga I know what's going on here tala mai ko tok fa fenen ko nesi vaiola ta ko tuko la pisi usi pate usi perperia usi pokua that's why your picture that I put up here hofu mata and how thick matolu mo ne uli he and then your picture I ko na ke puno ko ke vari ko lipstick ke frapuliki ake te mai matare mo fa e hono mutu he na ke puno ko vale lipstick foi ta ko ke puno wai he ke se ko mata e le kulo pe no fumata right here all this part right here kula why because you tama your face with the fucking Chinese soap he ko tama ke hina he bitch don't even fuck with me because I'm not the person to be fucking with especially this year. You done just came and pissed me off, eh? So many things you did. But I foi post hey, tali hena Mia Langi kau kama Mia Langi. What the fuck you gonna do to me, bitch? What the fuck you gonna do? But I feel haki loto. Get in. Why you go and talk shit about me like that? My page is open. Ke matole mai ki loto o sio mai ke me wai pa ke ha fakafoki mai glai ni. Fakafoki mai ke ilo. You know what? Nga le ko tangi what you told my brother? He? What you tell my brother? Oh, e ka taki fakamole mole. O ko hali tai mai ta ko fa e. O fa e ustaga mi fakatokanga ki ai. He? Even though your mom is supposed to be famili mo mautolo, I'm ha fa e ustaga mi fakatokanga ki ai. Whae kona na mafa mano tole mono le muhe tam na mate ai. O te te whikaf mai koe ka au, bitch, because I will chew you up and spit you out, and then you will know who I am, he? I can pick it how I forgot to wow, you want to talk about my past? Bitch, talk about my past. Gives a fuck about my past. We all have a past. But you know with you, what's going on with you is this. You're such an afraid little girl. What the fuck happened? Did somebody sexually abuse you when you were little? You have no self-confidence? Huh? You want to come on here and put people down just so that you can feel good about yourself? Bitch, you better go hit somebody else, because I'm telling you right now, bitch, I ain't the one. Don't make me get all fucking fucked up and crazy on social media, bitch. But you know what? As far as your pictures, I got more for my collection, and I will post them. My brother, what did my brother tell you? Kaime tungane na taka koe, he? Mafahatore. Na tata tungane ka koe, keketa, na tata tungane koe, nana fag tungane ki ai. Olympia, katak famole mole. Katak famole mole mea koe hoko. Ka kofie mau, ke urea ka koe. My brother, and then my brother not fokotutu, but tell her, show her, anga koe whakapipiki koe, anga koe mau famili mo ia. Tau si mo ani pea mau famili. But here's what I'm going to tell you. Paka lewa ta famili, don't come on here and talk shit about my family. Paka ta famili. Because ko hu mai ke heni o ate mea ko ke loto ki ai. You want to be an animal? Bitch, please. Go figure out, that's my eat. Ala ko ka whaikawa, he? Don't do it. That's my eat. Go figure out, reka he ni molo. He? Kwa ko ngalelei. Kai tuko ai ke nofo ai ke ai rea mai ka mautolu he. My brother told you on the phone like this. Olympia, ka tak fa mole. I want to tell you I'm sorry for this is how he said it in Tongan, but I know how to translate it in English. My brother said, I am so sorry for what is going on. I was not aware of it. But lie, haha, bitch. My brother knew what I was doing. He was on social media watching. And he told me, good, go and tell her how you feel. But don't, what my brother told you. Alu, feinga ike kita, kole fakamole ke maake. Mone whanau, oskoya, baketa, kole fakamole ke famili marini mo mea. My brother told you that, right? And my brother told me in front of you, hey, and look how smart you are. Why did you call me on Messenger with my brother? Huh? My brother called 3-way. Why did you call me on Messenger? Hey, because you know I was going to take a picture of you, right? So, bitch, you done went and called me on the telephone. You and my brother called me on the regular phone. You know, my brother probably just came home from the kava place. He don't really understand what's going on, so he called. Because my brother, he don't go on social media. He only goes on when his wife is on. But that's another subject. When his dumbass wife goes on and she watches all my shit, then she goes and tell my brother what I do, right? So, my brother told her like this, Olympia, ko huat po siya he live tu fifine, pa ku kai ke usaiya kai ke famili he live, he ko ya, and my brother told you, hanga famole mole e tonga mia, ko mia oksisita, o ku sayanga seinia, o seinia ko ngalelei mo mea. That's another fucking lie. But anyways, my brother told her, you need to go, ta ke familo malini, kol famole kanato hena tai fe unga mene fai o skape ke taka maake take fana make kol famole kanato kol famole fratoko malini and her family and her dad and everyone else for what you did. My brother did tell you too, the day you do that, that's the day he's going to tell me to stop what I'm doing, right? Just so you know that. And I heard my brother tell you that on the phone, right? And then after that, my other brother called me and my brother said, Mia, offer my and you know me, I gotta say this, you guys, I love my brothers and all, but you know when they come and talk to me about stuff like that, because I'm so angry already, right? My brother said, I bet I'm offer my Mia, kokolat kakoy, otekite algoya ay mata, the family, my halfway, and then I went like this home, black up, and I don't party. You know my brother said some things to me, and me, I don't really I do think when I speak, but I guess because I don't know. I guess because I wasn't raised in Tonga or you know, I don't, my brothers and them, now they have the respect, the culture of the Tongan, and I do too. But to people who try to respect you, you're going to talk to me the way I'm going to talk to you, right? So, my brother said, offer my and all of this Tongan mumbo jumbo he was telling me. He said, offer my ko te ai pe me ko loto ki ai he o te hanga ai mia te fetu taki peki ai te feinga peki fetu taki ai ke talanke ke alo fai me totonu He, ka ki tuku mai kau. My brother goes, tuku mai peke ki, mai ki whangamare ke whitu ta ke talang ke hao alo kore famole more mia o te hanga ai. So, to her and my brothers that call me, hey, like you said, she have until tomorrow morning. Okay, brother, get on it, get on your job, and get this bitch to call and do her job. Because if not, everything is coming on social media. Because you know what, bitch? When you went and slept with Sailopa, bitch, I got pictures of that too, huh? Just so you know. Everybody that you slept with, that you did shit with, everybody already sent me pictures. And all the pictures of you, alo fure pari, fure mea. Fufefe kau na usko, ko hawhenga mea koia. He? Pasai hona fihi for moki lalo, he? Sai keke ilo, he? You think I don't know? I know exactly what's going on. Ko os tolo pif mo me mea na mo yai, tolo pif mo ke mo ki lalo, ono fiki lalo, he? Because like I said, kage te ora tako mari. Na sa ko ikape ko mari, and you know what? I want to tell your husband, I'm sorry if he's offended by what I said, but I'm not sorry for what I said. I'm not going to be sorry for what I said, because what he did was wrong too. He shouldn't have popo, you go ki alo fai me o ke fai. He? Ko me ke ilo. Pa ko fime ta ko fitat ka koe, he? Alo ai ho mea, alo peko to ka ngai koe. O te ka ko na fore mai ka mau tolu. Ko na po sia o maha foi message, te ka nga fo tutu wow, mo ka ko with my family. Ai mai mo foi lau, ko hana fi fu ha malanga ma langi na ke maha mea. Se ke me alo ma poi maha tole o le me ke. Ku ke ilo ha ma mea mau. He? Ko ha o mea ko ya. Pa lo ke fe mau ke ilo ha mea, pa ke furei. Furei ki ho ta ke mortuary, te ke ma mea truth. Call the mortuary. Call everybody you need to call and find out the truth with that. But what I want to tell you is this, he? Sa ke ko tai, man. Fuck man, sa ke ko tai manini ya. Ta manini ya ai ke alo whakailo. Pa we ai ke alo whakailo ai mea. Ai to ta ko nei tonga, he? Ai ke alo whakailo. O ku ke ilo ka to ta ai ke alo ai. Do you know her? O ku ke ilo? He? She's the deputy of Potungawe maui atonga. He? The corporate division. But ta hine ko yana o se de ako na ma when master from Massey University. O se ma when master from Australia, from New Zealand, he? Pa ko ina ngawe ko Potungawe maui atonga. He? Corporate division. Ko ta ai ke alo whakailo. Na usi. Ke alo whakailo whakawhewe. Ko na tapari mai na mai fu me tonga ta mai ka koi what you cannot because uka ke no foi tonga. You want to take her to court? Furei tila al tonga al fai ka ho me ki ai because you can't. Uka ke hatola ke ako tikite ka hatola ka ako ho retaining fee. Ma lopa mo ngawe fa fai kau. He ho alo kai mo ia kakai. He fa offer kai mo ia kakai but yet you're not doing nothing useful for them. Everything you do is evil. Evil ho me fai. He? And that's why ko afi fai mo ki lalo. He? Ko me pego fitat ko mali. Si mau enau mau apite alo feinga. He ko tani mi mo tu be mo tunga tatau. He? I don't know what I want to do with you. If I want to burn you, or if I want to choke you, or if I want to stab you, or maybe if I had like an electric chair, I would put your ass on there and fry you, or I don't know, you know, or maybe put some poison in your food. But you know, I don't like you, and I don't like what you're doing to our family. That's what I don't like. He? Ke peko ko ha. He fa office ke mata tunga ne, mo mata ni fangi fa na ho me afai. Bitch, I'm going to go to the end of the world. I'm going to go to the end of the world and hakule you and mai o hihiloko ko ki loto. He? Ko no spend ta fai misin papa. He? Te ke ngoi leva ko ke malanga kila. To ta pali malanga kila te fumbea he ope. And everybody's going to see all the pate and all the tuhi and all the palai hosi ko ya koe. He? Se he ko ta ngali. He? His partner in crime. That is true, he? Paana ke te alo mea pe mai ko Wendy Langi manoa ko Wendy Langi manoa ko twin. Mata usi o start ka koe o tala mo to ko wa ko ke mata elohan ko koe. He? Tu ko fie me a. Ai ke la mai ta family. But you know what everyone aside from that, she is my family. But ko kalas family ko ta pe ko ke tole I hosi, he? Family usi tole I hosi. That's the kind of people she is. He? But se ke ne mea ku fai. Ta leno alo who he people from back in the days, he? Who he people fai fule pari ai. Hoko mai ke planet tonga, he? Ke mea party line ko koe follow he taimi ko, he? Who mai ke ai fai fule pari ai. Ko ni osate who mai ke katoni, he? Ta ai pe ka ngai kisana ko toni, he? Who mai ke fule pari at katoni. Awe fu fai fekau ke ilo me fai hanga pe he eki he o tata na ki pe o fangi fakalielia ko ku fai mo hanga ko angi loi em blama le kakai hanga eki o tata na ke me ka seke who the fuck would you go and fool a party 2-3 years ago would still have your picture? Who the fuck would do that? Stella hey Taco, burn them. Yes, burn them all. My gosh, if I had like a magic stick, or if I had like sometimes I would just be like, oh, fairy godmother, can you throw me some dust powder so you can just sprinkle on her and make her fucking ass disappear? Mia, you are the chosen one to expose all this person's evil ways. Okay, you guys see my little niece going, Desi Costa, hey? She's not even Tongan. Look how she understands Iglia. Hey? That's right, because she's a damn fucking bitch. And I hate the C word, I want to just say it, but I'm not going to say it. Because to me, that's so fucking pilau, right, Des? Yeah, you cannot talk like that, right, bro? That kind of stuff back home is so pilau, right? Yeah, so I don't even like going there with that word. But I want to use it, but it's too many people on here for me to use that word. But yeah, okay, so okay, Olympia, man, si fe fine ko ke ta ngari apito he pako ai me ko ta man ko ta ko tunga ne ko ha ke to ilo pok family time ko wa fi ma ka tole of amo mo me yope he. And then my brother told me, my brother goes, yeah, but that very low self-esteem, what happened? Oh, what happened to her? Why she has low self-esteem? Hey, I'm not going to say that sexually abuse you, but who knows? I'm leaning towards that side. But for me, I'm not going to come and say that happened to her. I'm going to go find out my evidence. But Stella, ko tamsi ko ko toni hingwa ai pe ko toni. Tapi pe ko toni pe ko sione pe ko siope pe ko hai hingwa ki motua. Ka ko fai hingwa ki motua, o kino sile le pe ia. He ko na fu de pa ki ka sai lopa. Ka ko tolong ate last name sai lopa ki ilo ie. Fu de pa ki sai lopa, fu de pa ki hemi, he fu de pa ki toni. Asiana ko pet ko toni he. So so come back fight. So many people ko alo fa ki ha fu de party. He usi nam ho hongo, nam pilo motu. Fuke ata fu de party ka fuguri he hala. He ko fe nga pe ia. He ko me ka na ke homo fiai. Ai ama ko na ke homo fiai. Ko fu wa ko na ma pe ko tu pe mana ka pe mo fa e fu de party. He na fu de party pe mo ia ko me ko ke pe he ai. He ke ai ke ilo ke tapun hotore ko tapun ko na usio na ke te map how many ole mai ka. Never ever again in this life te no ke ke mai ka. He o te ke te ai me ko na. Pa ko me ko na ai ke ilo stop calling my family. Tu ko te ta ko fa tu ane. Ko ha ke pe ka te ta ka na to lute na ta mai ke ni ko ha. He ko fa brothers. Hey, okay, can I remember not takau? Then now there my cow. That's all they're gonna do is ask me nicely. But my brothers know me. I do what the fuck I wanna do. I've always been like that. Olympia, hey, eko fanga, eko sista Mary Jane Sky mo me. Talo ko tupe KCE, hey, mo kakai ko no for so leki na mo tupuai. Talo tupe KCE, hey, ko ila, ko ke pe fuhu. Taimai from how kuma wapi. Kakai pake ai ma to sila ka puna taki mea. Hey, ka puna taki Colorado. Ke taftala pe taki malava ka puna. Taftala pe ka ngata ko eo. Tuki ko ki si ko ai pa to fuck mai kuma wapi. Ona kita ai ki alo fra ilo au. Fra ilo fra fefe. He kono tamahe fu executive pastor mo siasi. Os tapali mo kilalo, afif mo kilalo because of all the things you did. And you know what happened, guys? Let me tell you guys this. All the letters and all the things that I pulled off her page, right? So I sent everything. I sent all that stuff the other day. So again, all those things that I sent. Because at first, when I first called to talk to them, I had a website online and I called and I spoke to the lady, which was the secretary, right? She's the one who gave me further information and what to do, how to go about this thing here. Halfway OMG ko na Stella. Stella iyo sa ilopa. O si ilopa ko fa ko sa ilopa ga ngataan. Hi Melane. Hawe ko si Livia no ano asyake. Anyways, what she told them, I mean, when I sent them the thing, all the pictures and all the evidences that I had against her when I sent it, the executive pastor asked me this. He said, if there's any way I can translate everything from Tongan to English, right? And so I translated everything that I could, that I possibly couldn't know, and all the cuss words. I made sure I put that in there, right? And then what the pastor did, he told me he was going to call me back in a few days. He said probably a week. But what had happened was he called me way before. It was like 2 days after when he reached out to me and contacted me, and I spoke to him. And he told me, this is what he said, that everything that I had translated for them, it wasn't that they did not believe me, but they needed a second and a third opinion. So what they did was they had contacted a fakakau in Salt Lake City, Utah, and one out of Inglewood, one in California, in LA, right? They contacted those pastors and they asked them, if they can, like I said, the pastor didn't do that because he didn't believe me. He just wanted to make sure that what I was saying was the right thing with what I was turning in, right? So, the two fakakau, shout out to you two, whoever you are, because that's confidential. They won't tell me. Because if they did tell me, I'll come out and say it. But, shout out to the two pastors that helped me translate those letters from Tongan into English. Because you know what he said? Everything was on point at Fakapalangi. he e whakapalangi ko koe tohi whakatonga, but the only thing like hang on whaiwhikau ai ko whakatonga ko whakapalangi u kape. All they wrote down was these languages are too vulgar and too vulgar and profanity for them to translate it into English, right? But even that alone, Executive Pastor Malo Apito, thank you so much for all the stuff that he's turned in, because they are not aware that people, the leaders of their church, are capable to do such a thing, right? So then what happened? He said, Pake sila bako kiai. Ko naf pako ilalo, naf pe ilalo. Naf pe ilalo kai e pe hotai. Kai tu pe mo kai hotai. He mo ke sisi ma ke blaibi. Ba fa me ke tapali hakilot ke fure ke he o fa me ko na tatu tunga ne ke ai. He ko na ko mai ke te fa me ko ya. He fa me ke fuke I fa fure I hakilot ke fa me ko ya. He kai te tolo ko tate ume ake ki silki ai. He bitch, who the fuck would hold on to a picture of somebody fude party after all these years? Apparently, there was a reason why they held on to it, right? And I don't know pag ilo na mali. That's why I'm not gonna say homo hingwa whakausi na whawhago ilo homo mali ka mo ke mo nao tolu. He pa whawhago ilo homo mali, homo mo tolu au fude ure ke fung sina manu isin mata isina manu pari isina manu pari tofua agoia. So I'm not going to say you guys' last name. But Sailopa, thank you for the information. Hemi, thank you for the information. Thank you for the pictures. Thank you for everything. And the two Fakakau from the one from Utah and from LA, thank you so much on my behalf. Thank you on behalf of my family. I'm going to speak for us, the Langis and the Mamalang. Thank you so much on your behalf for helping me translate these letters into English so that something could be done to these kind of people. Because okay, and I'm going to say this once and for all to everybody who's a leader. I don't even care if you're a leader of any kind of church, any kind of denomination. Taparia ke fai me fai fikau, al fai me loto. Te mo tamama tolo ho to mau politiki mo ha pe mo tolo. Kakaukas alato sio mo lai mo politiki mo kape mo rea ko me ke kakai. Trust me, I will turn you in. Yes, and I mean all the fai fikau, every one of them I know on here. I don't even care. You guys can even talk it up. I don't care. All of them. When I say all, every fucking one of them. Every fucking one of them. But some of those Kaikehe such fungavaka, watch out. Tuku faalo tatapari mai mea, because you're gonna be next. I'm gonna screenshot ho uko many mo ulau kov kotape, and I'm gonna go turn it into your bishop. I don't care what you guys say. You wanna say ko au ko pehe, you're gonna call me, oh, why they gotta go rat? No, bitch, that's not ratting. Ratting is when you do it behind their back and they don't know. Me, I'm gonna come on here and I'm gonna tell you guys what the fuck I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna go do it. See how my brother. Hi, Felipe, mahanga. What's up? Anyways, Olympia, remember what my brother told you on the phone, hey? Manatio foi lea, foi tangi, hey, bahage ko mea, ka mea, museo ma, ilo se matano no, ko homa ta glea, magtungane. Kai ku be ya ele o tahi ne ko ya. Ko patke, oha, hange ko he hono lea. My brother goes, "Iyo, Mia. Ko kula we nia, ko te kai ke ko ki tonga pete ke tu tonga pete. Ko usa ho lea. Ha ku he pe le tahi ne ko. Ko pat, tu fe fine, oha, hange ma ko lo ama fe ule I hosi." He, you know my brother did, he hung the phone up. He goes, "Mia, tokanga ke lo tu e, o te ai me ko na Mia. Tuku mai pe ke tuku fikau ke alfan me tong di fai." That's what I told my brother. Mia. Oh, she was like this, sis. Hi, sis. Oh, my sister Nola Malikam. Nola ko ofaka koin. Hey, this is what she said. She goes, Kataki fakamole, Katawanga, ko loto mamahi. And then she paused, right? Fuck, I wish she called on Messenger with my brother so I can snap them, right? But this was on a 3-way phone call. She goes, like it's almost like she's choking on something, right? And that's why I said, Matala napi magtunga negao. Mia, but my brother goes like this. Because my brother was around 13 at the time when he told me, he said that happened when they went to go ave me akai kono api, Tamai tuane masi. Ma tu ko mamref ko ken api fare he. Tamai na tepe na ref fanga puaka. He? Elo mutu. O elo mutu. Iyo ka me afaka la hene mea. My brother said na me no fata be me fanga puaka na ki fare he. He na happy puaka pe he mai pe na ve api he. Ko ya fe me ko ya he. Pa ke se ke fana ko tat fe me ko ni. Tamai tuane. Foi puaka Olympia ne se na hapo. Ma te foi puaka na uho he ko na matangi he. So me I try to catch all the tongue and things in the tala na alpha tonga pe. They don't know me. I'm coffee. I can pick up anything like that, right? Whanau tangi pe mai. Kana ke sika ka mana tui lalai pe. Fuck, man, shit. Kana Afrika hanga halu I mana fo are lo ki tua to mai tua, Kusaka pate tunga ne kai. Ia ko mana tu he na me na uha poko ya. Mahana ta tole taimi ko ya. My brother said he was around 13 and Olympia was around 8, I think, or 9 or something like that, right? 7 or something. My brother goes, ko ya, mana tui na uha ko ki ituliki ko mo api na me hape famili o taaki ate me a. I guess the tin roof back then. What the fuck? Coconut, whatever the hell they built their house with back then in Tonga. But my brother said, "Naka mana tui, dai how e uha o uha mai ki loto ke mo ki fale. Pa ha me na ko na tau. O se ko ta me ki turi ki ko tau, le ke turi ki ko e. He, aya ko hinga tunga ne na tau pe ke turi ko e, mahi ka ke ki lai ka pa me ato ko e. O ska na te foka ke turi ki ko e, mahi ka ke pe he. Pa ska matala noa. Papa ke tunga ne. O ko ke maheni mane mami ko ha ta family mo na tolu. He kla ma ta family fele me o ke ta family na us matalem ko. My brother goes, "Tu homut kap kape. Ko family ko ila fai Olympia." Oh my gosh, man, I have to come home and be like, please forgive me, I post my auntie's picture under. Woo! Auntie ngut fra manga ki ai, auntie ko na mate homo mando. Tunga I bugi tua, My brother goes, "Ila, ate ila kai fai Olympia." Family tau to ke kai me ko. But hey, farango mai. Everybody who come from Venezuela always take tau family. Ko pa ko ila pata family, my brother goes, "Ia, ke ila ka ui ka Venezuela, o ko ke ila ka hala foli ka ha." But I know our family, o te ka I remember na. But if you fene fa e ko fe mau ke ila ne fa e. Well then, my brother only said one thing to me. He said, "Oh, ia, o ku ia pa mo tu ana Olympia na like fa island fa na ki mo, Fa ka me ko tak ka ko Olympia, tapun ho ta e. Tapun ho ta e. Ta ko na ko fa e, Ko fu fa e na ta ke fu ka paika, Tapari usbaia, na la pe fusiana ko na ha ko baka, mo fu ka paika os ha e ka paika aba, o mono et kilot ko mo ki hati, Ta ha me na ko na mai pe ko o tamai mo fa e ke ka paika pe ha. Fo tu ba mo ta mo mai ki tu apo kai almosiana, Us tapari. Hori mai ka, hori mai. Hopo mai ki loto ka tatau aki fatai, tau aki ta aki hena ke so ko me ko ki ai, O te ke ai ke rea mai ka, he ko na ko ko mahala na taki aki mo ko ka paika, Ai ko taki ko fa en, ko fa en taki ka paika, ko ha, taki aki mo ko ka paika, Ke ilo foi me ko ya. O te ke ai ko ke fe ka mai ka, he ko taki ko ke ilo, my brothers, he fangatunga ane. Whether they my biological, my immediate brothers, my first cousins, he ka fangate bolo na ka fanga to ya. But bitch, watch out. Don't even think I don't know anything, because I do know everything that's going on. O ko alpa ko nyo tapon no tai o te kito mai ka malini, Ko ha kire mai ka na fakao fa malini. Malini ko tahin tala wo tahin fakao fa panga le dei. Like I told you yesterday, ha malini me family loto, family poto, family mama, Ai ke ila me ko ya tapon no tai o te kito no fole mai. Ai ke kire mai pa te kire ki fa na malini. He sa ko fa fusan. Ho fusan ko na ko kei, ako ko alo kai bure holo, kai poto holo kai emo tunga I holo. Ai poko tunga ia, ko me ke alto ngai. Tunga ngai ho tamasi ko alo ko fai usi, He mahalo ko mafule o tonu tunga ko no hoka maha fusiana feitu, fu uli, Alo ko tunga ngai me ko ya. That's why I tell you, you have so many meles, So many mele. I know mele is like curse, right? So you have so many mele, but you're the very one o ku ke ha olea. Yeah, you're right, Daniela. Daniela poko io ko kapaika na taki ake kapaika. Kapaika lady. Kapaika lady ki ai, Se ke ka me tata ka motolu. Mo ile tana mo teti, I think o hoke teti. Mate teti mate hono ni fo, Ka te hoka, te laka ka fai taka taki mahana ni fo tui, ke hu mai kenke ate me ko loto ki ai. Ko ina nam kapaika ki ai. Kapaika ni fai kapaika moia, I ke tu ke ne fi lau pisi, faka ofa mari he ko me fai kono. You always threaten him, me. So ka fankisana Olympia na tamai. Mo tamai tu mai ume aki heni, Ko ia, ko lau ka koe, tai ma. Who the heck o alo fule party and do all that kind of stuff on social media ke sio mai, Asi ko lau ka ke ilo Ka dai fe yas yone time. Ayo ko mahal ko fe me ka na kanko tago ko avasiano fakahu. Because that's what I used to do to him when you guys live in Oregon, All you people ko mo tu ko ki ai, Kono fa mo onia ke ta ko mo to ke mo ilo. Mo fe tu ta po ta ke ka kai ko na do fo ko ni mo ka tonga te no ta ko mo to le mo oni. Ko ni mena fai ko weekend ko ni fa ke kono mari. Ta ke ha polisi si fa le mo to ai ave. Kai hala lo ta pe ke ta minga ha ke hu ye ke mea, hu ye ke hotel. Alo fo ohake ai. Ka te ka sai lo pa mimi ai. O sa ta sa le pa. Hoko mai heni, O sa ta heni, hoko mai teki, O ya we o sa ta teki hoko mai ti. Ke lo ka kai ko dito ha tola to now last name on the next life. Okay, that way, te ilo he, but the only thing I don't want to say it because I don't want their whangamari ke nau ilo. He, he ka fumea ko ni, it was during your time of whaifekau. Fule pehe. Billy, get off my life because Mama Cookie's going to come over here and comment and see your comment. Yeah, she did do that. She did do that. So today, I need to get going, but oh my gosh, guys, I just look like a fucking hot mess. Eh? Take me to court. I want to know when our court date is. Na fai ko pehe mai pe court ya osi, ka ke ela pa wi heni, eh? Take me to court, because you know what's going to happen if I don't come to your house with taka. I tuki koi fai help. I don't care. I don't care. Elo tonga fai tahi tan ko ka ke ha e lo ya ta na me ka tawa mo me ka tahu ki fai help. Te tuki au ko ai. Trust me, te tuki ko ai. I don't care. And because what they're going to do, they can't lock me up forever. It's not like I killed you. I'm just going to beat the shit out of you. Eh? Tari ko hena. Hi, Falolita, how are you? Girl, I'm going to come on our page after this. I'm going to come and do this here because I cannot do that on our page. But anyways, that's my life today. Olympia, remember what my brothers told you, hey? My temene tatuk tungane, hungo tungane. Alu, o Kaikehe, and make things right with them. Alu, go make things right with Malini, Malini's sisters, Malini's husband, Malini's children, and Malini's family, hey? Mone family. Laka kiai or I me akaksai. I me kapaluk ta family, and I'll tell you this: if you just do the right thing, I'm gonna stop talking bad about you. I'm gonna stop bashing you. I'm not bashing you. I'm just telling you the truth. I'm gonna come on here and I'm not gonna do anything anymore to you, you know, because I kind of feel like my spirituality level is like going low because I'm doing this. So therefore, I'm gonna need you to hurry up and do this so that I can get back on track and go back to church, right? Mana. So anyways, Olympia, remember what my brother told you, hey? Go and go do that, okay? Famili malini. If not, alo te Facebook ka. Go write them. They're all on Facebook. Hey, kakisige mama nang tolu. Kakinahana tolu ali mai kakoy, hey? You think it's hard for my family ke na mai o kape ikoy? No, it's not hard for them. Kakawao pe o ko hao fai mea koy ni, hey? Because maoi pe mo tolu me mea. You say hello what Se mi stai, kai ko cafe me aí. How give you no matter how me? I don't know. Somebody told me she's going on matahau and stuff, but you know what? Kai pick on matahau ya. I know a lot of people na matahau na talmona to na ngale na to. Kapag ko matahau ya ta ko tok matahau na mataelo. Isi ngari ko ka kaya matahau, ko ka kaya na palaku. Talabo kaya matahau. Kato kai ma ko ma ka mataelo pe ko mata usi, he ko mata lemu. At pa fainga mata peke fa asa ka foi me ko ya, that's her. Hello, Semista, pure fan. Semisi, get off my live. If you my uncle say pe yo, ta uncle peta o say pe yo. Tiktokango ki ai. Kago tat ka koi pa kana kisana na ito himay mea. Hey, you guys want to hear something funny? Sa to himay kisana pe mai ka. Mia, katak fa mol. Ko Mary Jane kai ko ha pa family mo Mary Jane kai. Mary Jane Sky pa mo no man langi mo fino mea. Ko ba hi. Kilo ka mal mo hai pat. Ko hai yo ka ilaw ya pa ko hai malu ko hai ya. Ko hinga pa ko ila la ange tamai mo fae ka fine ko fine fonua langi. He ko fonua ko fae ko ma fae. Ko mama mi ko habia me pea. He ko na toro ko ka ko ha ia la vaca. To se ta fonua. Pe mai mo to akau. Ka me pe ta family. Family hai. Ana ko ta ma ko ke ai mai me ai ke finga ko ke fude pa ka ko ke ai ke kalo fa pipi ki mai mea. Pa kai tai. Fa ta holo fa pipi ko family na usa to ka ngati ai. I don't even care. Nowadays the only people I care about is my Langi family, my mother's family. And you guys all know who you are. So therefore, when I get the hi Pepe, my cousin from New Zealand. Pepe, I have to come over there. I'm gonna come there and visit you. I wanna come there and find somebody so I can be like Olympia. Kalata al hotel mo fure pari. I'm just kidding. I really gotta get off this live, guys, because I'm getting off the grid, off the subject. But anyways, Olympia, ko mapathen off gakoy. Because now I know the family. But the family dagi mu kai maha ko like fahi ko ya. The hang out like fahi ko but the fakalielia with the family ki mu. Because you already crossed the line, you did something wrong and it's not okay. Okay? So kaho, get off my video and my live. Kaho alfa loto. O te kalea hen kaho. See, I don't like when people come on here now loto. Kata pego kaho me la o te lea me ko kaho. He ko tai me bule na Mia Langi. Okay, kaho. Love you o fakakaukau motohi and the kids. Anyways, let's go, sis. We can find us more men's. I can't even deal with the man I have now. What am I going to do with all these men's, right? Anyways, Olympia, ko maha falat kakoy. And your fae ko na ko na ano ko elo ko fure mano fu tapali ihon umutu. Ko mahataf like ako mo mami with your dead fucking mother, okay? I don't care if we're related. Come and do the right thing. Come and do the right thing. Kafay mo os. Hi mahoy. O bahano. Hawel. Ko kuki nisan ako kafi. Ko ko ke. I don't know. I think ko hokataka ko. But anyways, Olympia family totonu feinga ila va taha fituta ki family malini. Alo say sorry kana tolo. Pag alo ha me ki say sorry kung tunga ne mo ni ki fanau. He? Alo ta say sorry ki ha mamala. Say sorry to everybody. Everybody you did wrong to them. Because if not, I already told my brother and my dear brother. When you guys come on and see your wives' lives, o mamahi peso mo famili o so may kaglaiwi, amo ko na mo tamay. Manatui, you guys better stay on it. Motokoni ka Olympia, help herself and help her mom and help her family so that I don't come on here and blast her like this and put all the shit on social media. So to my two brothers, thank you for trying to be a light in my life, but right now, the only light I see is the lighthouse. I don't see the other light, okay? So, Olympia, alofafe mea koya, and te tuku lewa tau laivi, kau alu ke ngaha mea kai ke ukai, because I just came home, and then after that, pau taka mila whakasia laivi, pe e huma Olympia whakafoke ne mea, peko I go say sorry to them. That's the only way that I took sayai. If anybody sees this, mo whakahakat ke talangay tateau, go and do the right thing so I can help and shut my mouth. Okay? Because you guys haven't seen my spiritual side. Pagao te mo sio, pagao mo pehe ku kobi, e foi tafa ko ni, pagao te mo sio he tam ko ala loto, te mo pehe mo to ko ange lo na. Now to tapali me olunga mila. You guys gonna think I'm an angel. He ko ako hawa hangalere and I'm such a good person and my spirit is good, but when you want to come on here and fuck with my family, then you're gonna come and fuck with me. So Olympia, remember what my brothers told you on the phone. And my two brothers, help her, help herself. Because if you guys can't help her to help herself, then I'm gonna fucking fahi her on here later on today. Okay? Because what did you say? My brother told me, Mia, give her to tomorrow morning. Please, Mia, kokolat kakoy. O famata ta fangakui, o famata ta tame ta faeg na osio. Do the right thing, Mia, o te kang ai pe fin motua. Pake ilo, ai ke ngari kokoy ke siasi ma Mia. Sa pe siasi o ke ka mai siasi he Mia ko ni. Hange pe ko ya, ke ka siasi. Ko fe ilere ko ni ka fe ilere. Fo ilere ko ni ka fe ilere fata faaki. Don't tell me, I know the word. Something about this is our human side. Hi Bill, my brother Bill. Bill, and with that being said, I gotta exit because Bill just came on. I love you guys, and Olympia, remember to do all the stuff I told you because I have all the pictures and everything right here. I already went and screenshot and taha oskapau. So can men I find here honi here. So here ko hapa ko ga ngawe ko lele ma fe wall green. Sige tayo ko iya he ko ngai ke hapa ko fe wall green no tu itu print ko to ene uta he because I don't just want it on my phone. I want it like pictures he so I can come and fucking pick it on the thing. So anyways, with that being said, I love you guys and the clock is ticking. Olympia, yeah. So yeah, oh my gosh, Des, you like know something, huh? I just got done telling everybody that my niece, she's not even Tongan, but look at her, she understands everything. You know, so yeah. Anyways, I have to get off this live, guys, because I need to go eat and I need to go figure out my day, like what I need to do today. Most likely, I'm probably gonna go hakule some more stuff on her, but I need to get off this live. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Please share my live, not for no popularity things. If you're my family, share my live. Just I just want her to get it. I want her to get it because I'm not okay here. And if she said she's taking me to court, and then but you know what? I want to tell her, court, please, bitch. That ain't the first and last time I've been to court. That's my middle name. Yeah, Mia Court. I've been to court all my life. I'm not worried about it. I've been to court for so many assault charges. This time around, I'm gonna assault you at the courthouse. So hurry up and get on there, do what you're supposed to do, so I can hurry up and shut my mouth and not do this anymore. Yo, yes, Stella, I'm gonna send everybody the picture. Or whoever I'm gonna send you guys the picture. You know, because my brother said not to do it, but you know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I won't post it. I think I'm just gonna send it to everybody who came on this live or comment. I'm gonna send you guys the picture and you guys do what you want to do with it. You know? Mia Manu Court. Goya! No, it's Mia Anamanu Court. Anyways, guys, send them. Oh, that's my niece. There's you fucking paragi. Oh. Baby, what you gonna do with them? Go post them on top of the kind, Hotel Street. Anyways, I love you guys. Love you, sis. Hi, Mana. I love you, Noke. Love you guys. Anyways, guys, I have to get off this live because I need to get going. Bye.